Namaskar. Welcome to Ahara Arogya Adhyatma, the light of Samskara. Today we have Shilpa H. Dhruvat Narayan. She is MD in Biochemistry from St. John's Medical College and she did her MBBS as a topper of Rajiv Gandhi Health University with 5 gold medal in 2000. And apart from that, she has done a stress psychology in healthcare professionals from London School of Business. And more than that, now today she is a professor, head of the department of lab director in medical college, that is Dayanand Sagar, which is on a sprawling 75-acre land and a very beautiful medical college. Welcome, Shilpa. Today being the Vasanta Panchami, please tell us about the importance of Vasanta Panchami, because we know that during the Dhanur Masa, we spend all our time praying early morning, and I think you had explained that also. But now it's the beginning of the spring, and the spring means the enthusiasm and the happiness and then rejuvenation of ourselves. So forgetting the old and getting the new one welcoming. And that too, today is the birth or Jayanti of Ma Saraswati herself. And tell us about that.
Thank you very much, madam, for giving this opportunity. So, Vasanta Panchami is a lesser known festival or a day in southern parts of India. Many people will not know about Vasanta Panchami, but it is a very, very important day, especially if we want to start any new venture or
Learning
new education process or any new art or any new course. And for small children, if they have to get initiated into writing, Akshara Abhyasa it is called. So when the parents or the elders, they initiate the younger ones into writing. So this day, that is Vasanta Panchami day, is very, very auspicious day.
Okay.
And as you said, it is a welcoming day for the king of seasons, that is the spring season. So yes, as we all know, spring is full of vitality, energy, and it denotes abundance of nature. So actually spring falls 40 days after, this Vasanta Panchami day. But in Indian culture, we have the habit of welcoming good things much prior to actually when they appear.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So this is a very, very nice culture. So this day onwards, we welcome the spring season by, bowing to Ma Saraswati or worshipping Ma Saraswati, who is the deity for, as we all know, art and knowledge, the right knowledge, wisdom. Saraswati is the goddess who grants us the wisdom. So this day especially is dedicated to the worship of Ma Saraswati or goddess Saraswati. There are various spiritual significance or stories behind this which are depicted in our Puranas. One of them is that this is the birthday of Lord Goddess Saraswati. When Lord Brahma, after his creation, he will want to visit the world he created. So when he visits the world he created, there will be silence everywhere. There will be nothing but silence. So
he will, and the darkness and the ignorance.
Yes.
And the ignorance. Yeah.
Yes. So he will come back and feel that there is something missing. So he will take the holy water from his Kamandala, and then that is how Goddess Saraswati will be born. And she will have the veena in her hand. And she will start the process of, wisdom.
And she has the 4 hands, Veena in one hand, and then Japamala, and then Veda, and Pustaka, that is the book.
Yes.
So all the 4 are very, very important for concentration. Japa makes your mind very, very sharp and concentrate, and brain development is much better. This is proved scientifically. Today, many children, they have the attention deficit. I think they have to start taking, doing the Saraswati Puja, because we all used to do Saraswati Puja now throughout our school days on a Friday. But this is very, very special day. And I think we have to bring back our children to this culture. Okay.
Yes, madam. Definitely. Sharadamba or Saraswati Puja is very, very important for us.
Important.
So, especially on this day, that is why I said Aksharabhyasa. This is the year mark
Best.
day for Aksharabhyasa, for initiation of education. So, Saraswati being born imparts the knowledge, the vitality, and the soul to the creation of Brahma and grants us the right wisdom in the right direction.
Direction.
So Saraswati, all the Saraswati temples in southern parts of India, we go to the temple and worship either Sharadamba or Saraswati in the temple. In northern parts of India and eastern parts of India, like West Bengal, Odisha, they get the idols of Ma Saraswati. There is a community which gets the idols, like we get Ganesha idol for Ganesha
Or
festival.
Kali
Yes,
idols.
yes.
Yeah.
So they get the idols of Saraswati and offer puja, like just like Ganesh Chaturthi in northern parts of India. Also in Nepal and other Hindu areas or
Countries,
geographical
yeah,
regions,
wherever they are
this Vasant,
worshipping. Yes.
Vasant Panchami is very grandly celebrated. And on this day itself, they start the preparation for Holi. Holi falls 40 days after Vasant
After
Panchami.
this.
So
Okay.
there is a tradition that they start the preparations on this day itself. So a very, very special day for Saraswati Puja. Apart from this, in Puranas, it is also mentioned, we all know the story of Rati and Manmatha, Kamadeva. So Lord Shiva will curse Kamadeva and he will burn into ashes, and Rati Devi will perform a penance for 40 days, and then Lord Shiva will revive Kamadeva. So Kama and Rati Puja also they do, especially I think in Odisha and eastern parts, this culture is also there. And Kalidasa also will be blessed on this day. We all know about Sri Kalidasa. So this is the
he was
day
an
when
idiot, and after getting this
Yes.
blessing from Kali, he becomes a greatest poet.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So this day, as the spring starts, it is specifically, devoted to knowledge. So Saraswati is the goddess who imparts us the right knowledge and wisdom. So Saraswati Puja is specially celebrated or worshipped this day. I think we have somewhere forgotten. We celebrate all main festivals, but this festival we have sidelined. I think we all can keep in mind now.
That is because the people are more interested in the materialistic making money, so they do the Lakshmi Puja. But they do not realize that it is the Saraswati who makes you rich. And without knowledge, you cannot achieve anything and you cannot succeed in life. For every sadhana, the knowledge is very important. And that's how, being a Saraswati Putri, I not only worship, look at today, the yellow color is very important. And that's why I have come with the yellow sari.
Yes.
Because, when the Saraswati comes, there is a golden hue. And that golden hue, and she comes with the yellow sari, with the yellow garland and the yellow flowers, and glowing like a golden thing. And today, we must realize that whenever we have enthusiasm, whenever we have knowledge, whenever we have skill, we can achieve anything. And all that we get from Saraswati. Yeah.
Yes, knowledge is something nobody can
It's
steal.
a power.
That is, yes, it's a power. So I think, as you said, we all wear yellow clothes on this day everywhere. And in some places, they fly kites. And also the dishes they prepare for Naivedyam will be of yellow
That
color,
also
like
yellow.
laddus. Laddus, moong dal halwa. And we use yellow flowers for the puja. So this yellow, which symbolizes vitality, energy, enthusiasm, hope, is celebrated on this day. The concept of color psychology is just coming up in Western culture. But we had it, now.
From time immemorial, we had the color thing, the psychology.
Yes, we had this rooted, we select specific colors like green for some occasions, red for some occasions. So on this day, aligning with the season, that is spring season, the color yellow is selected, and it is told that whatever new thing or new course or education, whatever new thing we start today, if we do it with Saraswati Puja wearing yellow colors, it will be, prosperous, and it will bring us a lot of success. So if anybody is planning to start a new course or a new, skill or anything, this is a very, very auspicious day. That is Vasanta Panchami day, maybe music class, art class, dance class. So this day is earmarked to start anything new, especially in the domain of knowledge and art, with the blessings of Ma
Ma
Saraswati.
Saraswati. And
Yes.
rightly you said, because it is said, Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha Sakshat Pachuhu. That means Pucha Vihinaha. That means the Ma Saraswati gives Sahitya, Sangeeta, Kale, everything we get from Saraswati. And anyone who doesn't have this, he is like an animal without a tail. So today, the children are made to study, and get 99.9% marks, But instead of that, if you want a holistic personality management or development, the children should be allowed to learn all the the fine arts and everything, so that they become a paripurna, and they become a better human beings.
Yes, madam. Very rightly said. That is why, sir, when we see Saraswati's idol, we don't only see the books, we see the Veena also, which is music, and all
Music.
these are all inbuilt in our culture. So, as you
Yeah.
said, it is not only the knowledge or study or academics part, it is also this lateral fine arts, or which in today's world, especially, it is required, because a lot of stress related issues are
Stress,
coming.
and the stress busters are the music and the
Yes.
dance and the fine
Yes,
arts,
music
Yeah, the
therapy is
hobbies,
there.
yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
We have heard of music therapy. So I think this is a very good day to resonate with that cultural belief, and worshipping Ma Saraswati, and taking it forward. A forgotten or not very much known festival, I think it has to be revived. We celebrate
Correct.
Varamahalakshmi Vrata very grandly. It is very
Yes.
widely known. I think
Yes.
like that, as you
Because
said.
they bother more about the
Yeah.
money, but not the knowledge. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And Vinayaka Chaturthi for removing obstacles. I think for
Yeah.
giving right knowledge and right wisdom, this day we should specifically pray to Goddess Saraswati, Ma Saraswati. Also, as Krishna, as Shiva revived, the Manmatha, who was
Manmatha, he is
yes, when
born
he
as a
had
Krishna's son,
Pradyumna.
Pradyumna. Correct.
Pradyumna, yes. So that also shows that when we repent, when that real repentance is there for the mistakes we did, we can rise from the ashes. So that is what
Well
it
said. Well said.
signifies,
Yeah.
rising from the ashes, whatever old past pains or
It's
trauma
gone.
we
Yeah.
have. Yeah, all those winter days. There is a poem, I think there is a quote from the poem, when winter is approaching, can spring be far behind? Something like that. I think it was by Keats. I don't remember the exact quote, but that is all resonated in our culture. See, after winter, spring is coming. Before the spring comes, we need to forget about all the old things past. Also, the revival of Kalidasa. By God's grace, it shows that by God's grace, if we have the real will, we can actually get the
Anybody can
blessings.
become a great achiever.
Yes, yes. So all this symbolizes a new beginning in life, forgetting all the past, all the trauma, and just not the new beginning. It is the new beginning with the blessings of none other than Goddess Saraswati.
Saraswati.
So yes, yes. So I think we all should worship Goddess Saraswati and take her blessings on this auspicious day.
And not only that, during the Dhanur Masa, we were all, praying right during the Brahmi Muhurta. And we were not having any of the, that auspicious marriages and other things. And after this Basanta Panchami, the next day onwards, all the things can be started. That means this is the rejuvenation, warding away the ignorance, and then bringing back the happiness and the prosperity to everyone. And thank you very much, Shilpa, for so beautifully explaining to our viewers. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So we both will wish all our viewers a very happy Basanta Panchami,
Very
so
happy
that they become wise, and that wisdom will take them further for the good of the society and the good of the country. Namaskar.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Namaskar.